night, sweet dreams. Hmm? Hmm? What? Look. Uh, hello? What are you doing in the middle of the night? Don't get mad, please, but I woke up very late and I cannot sleep. Yeah? What is your name? My name's Astro, and I am a very sleepy dude, but sometimes I wake up at night and I cannot sleep anymore. May I sleep with you? Sure thing. There's still one more room left for you to sleep in. Really? Yeah. Come with us. There, right here. All right. Ah, thank you guys. Anytime, Astro. You're welcome. What's wrong, Bazzy?
My tummy growled.
Really? You have a stomachache?
No, I don't have a stomachache or something, but
Okay. Well, can I comfort your tummy?
okay, just once.
Okay. Don't worry, little stomach. She'll feed you in the morning.
Thanks for comforting my stomach.
You're welcome, Buzzy. And sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams to you too, Scorcher. Wake up, Scorcher. Wakey, wakey.
Huh?
Good morning, Scorcher.
Oh, good morning, Bessie. Where'd everyone go?
Oh, they woke up early to have breakfast.
Oh, okay.
I'd like to tell you something, that today is a great big tour. Are you excited for it?
Oh, yes, I'm pretty excited for it.
That's great to hear. First, you'll have some breakfast, and then we can start the great touring adventure.
All right.
Okay, before we start, I just wanted to tell you something.
Well, what is it? Tell us.
So, when we get to the small village at the end of the tour, there's a small pub where you can play bowling at. Sounds good?
Oh, yeah, I love bowling. Yeah, bowling's the best. Oh, I'll hope I'll crash those pins with a giant bowling ball.
Excellent. Come on, let's start the tour.
All right, come on, let's go.
Alright. So, where are we going?
I think we're going to the bowling.
Yeah, like Bessie said. Really? Yeah, so fast. Gooby goob. I love some bowling.
Yeah, me too. Shall we go? Sure thing, Scorcher.
Alright. Come and follow me.
Sure thing. Come on, Torque Twister Yorkshire Fest. Let's go.
Okay, here we are at the bowling alley.
Sure, I love bowling. What shall we do?
It's simple. Just grab a bowling ball, throw at the pins as many as you can. Okay?
Sure, we understand that.
Okay. So have fun, Hot Wheels cars.
Yep. Thanks, Bazzy.
Okay, good enough.
Yes! I hit the pins! That's what I'm talking about. Awesome!
Oh, come on, strike. Yes! I got 8 pins! Nice!
Yay!
Yes! I've hit 7 pins. Hey, Bazzy, you wanna play?
No, I'll watch. You guys play.
Oh, okay. Wish us good luck.
Okay, I wish you good luck.
I'll show you who's the boss at bowling. Yeah! Amazing. Okay, moment of truth. Yes! I've hit the pins!
Gooby, go! Yay! I've hit more pins!
Alright, here it goes. Yay! I did it!
Here it goes. Awesome! I hit 8 pins! I'll show you how it's done. Come on, come on. Yes! I have done it! Alright, here it goes. Hey, not bad. I hope I'll get a strike. Come on. This sucks! Come on, at least give me a spare. Ha! What pin? I hate bowling! Ugh. Come on, Astro. You can do it. We believe in you. That was amazing, Astro. You've knocked down most pins. Thank you guys for believing me. You're welcome, Astro. After the Cars and the Toons have played bowling, they've head back to the hotel.
Okay, I think you should go back to your room, Scorcher, as I and the host will set up a disco dance party for you, okay?
Sure thing, Bazzy. So, good luck to you.
Okay, good luck to you too, Scorcher.